Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up Discord onboarding for your server. So first of all, you need to come here on discord.com, or you can also launch the Discord application on your computer. Just make sure that you sign in into your account first. Now over here, you need to simply select the server that you want to configure. Just keep in mind that the onboarding is available for the community servers, and you will need manage server and the manage role permissions or the administrator permission in order to set it up. Now, if your server isn't community server yet, you can just simply click on the option of your server name, then click on the option of the server settings. Over here, you need to scroll down and here select the option of enable community and complete the setup. I have already done it, and that's why it is showing me community overview instead of enable community option. Now after doing this inside the server settings itself, you just have to simply scroll down and then look for the option of onboarding. Now after clicking on the option of onboarding, you just have to simply scroll down, and then you are going to see this type of onboarding option. So simply click on the option of check it out. Now over here, this is going to be the first step where you need to do the safety check. Now over here, simply click on the option of default channels. Then here simply select the channel that every new member should see when they join. So Discord require at least 7 default channels with at least 5 allowing everyone to view and send the messages. Now you need to simply also go to the next option that says customization questions. So over here, what you can do is you can just simply create your questions. You can enter a simple question such as what are your interests in, or why do you want to join the community, and then you can just simply enable the answer or add the answer options or make it a multiple choice questions type of thing. Now for each answer, you can choose the role or the channels that should be assigned when a member selects that particular option. You can also make a question required and allow multiple. So you can just simply use the preview option to see what new members is going to experience, and then simply click on the option of enable or publish in order to activate your onboarding setup. Now after enabling it, the new members can choose their interests, automatically receive the relevant channels and the roles. So that's how you can basically do it. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.